Good morning. So today is my last full day in Singapore. I fly out tomorrow morning at like 8:30 or something. So I think this morning I'm just going to relax in the hotel for a bit. I need to fix some of my clothes for tomorrow and clean up a bit. But the weather is really, really nice today. It's sunny and the skies are blue, so I think I will head out to grab like lunch, and maybe I will visit the Botanical Gardens, and I wanted to visit Little India, so hopefully I can get that in the afternoon. And yeah, just having a chill day, I think. My eyeballs are sore from wearing contacts for the last 3 days, so today is going to be a glasses day. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I actually think that there's like red beans in here too or something. And I also have my leftover matcha latte from yesterday. So we're having a very matcha filled breakfast. It's so good. Ooh, I'm in my celebrity era. Just kidding, these are prescription. I need them to see. Anyway, I have to take this stupid tablet, and let me just tell you, it is disgusting. So it's the malaria tablets for people who are going to Vietnam, and it tastes like ass. It's ugh. They don't have like they need a stronger coating on it or something, I don't know, but it's just disgusting. So hopefully my matcha is strong enough to overpower it, because yeah, I nearly threw up on the first one. oh oh, it's disgusting. Mm. Oh, it makes me feel so it makes me feel so sick. I can taste it on the back of my tongue. Oh fuck, yuck. There's no fucking malaria is gonna survive that. Ugh. Great, so now that that's over, I am going to head out because if you what the hell? Well, the weather was really nice. It was like blue skies, no clouds. But apparently in the several hours that I've been mucking around, that has changed. That's unfortunate. Actually, no freaking way. Is that a McLaren? Damn, I think it is. That looks like the 720. Awful colour though. But anyway, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, what we're doing today. So we are going to go to Little India and look for shoes again for like the 4th day in a row. And get something to eat, and maybe go to the Botanical Gardens if it's not too hot, because I am wearing jeans today, so I don't really want to walk around the Botanical Gardens while I'm sweating. But anyway, yeah, so I will see you. Oh, and we need to post my postcards. We need to go and do that too. So anyway, I will see you wherever we go first. Bye. 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I found my way to the Botanical Gardens. And there's like a thunderstorm coming as well, so fingers crossed it doesn't break before we're finished here. There's supposed to be otters here and I can hear them, but I just can't see them. I see an otter. Shut up. That's not a friggin' otter. That's a monitor lizard. Are you kidding me? That's big, actually. Hi. You better not be eating all the otters. I am struggling. This poncho doesn't stay on. It's literally like a thunderstorm at the moment at the Botanical Gardens, like lightning and everything. So I've been moving from like shelter to shelter, and I'm currently in this like rock cave sheltering. And I bought a donut earlier, so I'm gonna eat that because I'm starving. It's 5 o'clock. No, it's 5:30, and it's not supposed to stop raining until like 7. So, and it's a 10-minute walk to the nearest subway station. So I'm gonna wait for it to like calm down a bit, I guess, and then hopefully we can get to the train station. Yum. Look at all those yickens. Hello. I like your house. Hi. They have electric lawnmowers. I like that. Work smarter, not harder, right? Ooh. I'm supposed to be going back to the MRT, but now that the weather's clearing up, I'm like, oh, maybe we should stay. But then I feel like I'll regret that. But I do want to have a look at the lake, river, dam. Cute. I didn't know they had squirrels here. Oh my god. To be honest, I don't regret this decision at all. I just wish that I had gumboots or something. That really would have made this whole experience a lot better. Hi, Mama. Same. Holy crap. I've had the most hectic last day. Ironically, just this morning I was thinking how maybe my Converse would be more comfortable if I got them wet. And alas, the weather came and gave me a hand with that. My feet are literally like puddles. Yuck. Also, I stopped by 7-Eleven and they have my favorite tuna onigiri. So I got that for dinner, and then I also went to Paris Baguette to buy an overpriced but delicious looking strawberry shortcake. Because I have like extra cash and I don't really want to keep it, right? So it was $10. It's awfully cute. Ta-da! It's strawberry yogurt shortcake or something. To be completely honest, I'm quite fond of Singapore and I'm a little bit sad to be leaving. I kind of wish that I was here for like maybe a couple of more days just to like enjoy Singapore now that I'm so like used to it. But you know, it's still, I've had an amazing experience here, especially the people. I really have to say, like, everybody is super kind, and I guess, you know, they're very welcoming because it's very multicultural here. Yay. I could literally live on tuna mayo onigiri. I'm pretty sure when I was in Japan back in 2019, I think I was eating one like every single day. And I make them at home sometimes, but it's not quite the same. Plus, for some reason, seaweed in Australia is just always, like, it's not crunchy ever. Even brand new, it doesn't have this same, like, crunchiness. So, I ended up going to Haji Lane, and I went and saw the mosque there, which was amazing, and Arab Street and everything. So after that, that's when I went to the Botanical Gardens, where it began to storm. Actually got some souvenirs today. I got some earrings for my nana, Look how cute this bag is. I got it from the Botanical Gardens this afternoon, so my nana really likes flowers and greenhouses, and she like crossbreeds flowers and stuff, and I know she has some purple orchids out on her farm, so I got her these. Hopefully she loves earrings, so hopefully she likes these. They're not really my taste, but I think they're pretty well hers, so hopefully she likes them. They are cute now that I look at them again. I was looking for something for my mum too from the same store, but there wasn't really anything there that I thought she would really like, so I haven't gotten my mum anything from Singapore, which is a shame. I sent her a postcard. I got this for my sister. I went into some thrifting stores in Haji Lane, and my sister likes butterflies. She's not really like the girly type, but she does always like wearing like an oversized shirt around the house, so I saw this and I got it for her. It's kind of cool. It's huge, so it's like, you know, for at home, because she's always up in my cupboard, so maybe she'll try wearing this first. And I just got myself this shirt because I just like the size of it. It's kind of hard to find shirts that are like not cropped but like a small shirt, if that makes sense. So this one is like the perfect size. The deer is, you know, the deer is alright. At first I thought it was like a trophy tee, but it says release the animal within you. So it's kind of like a, you know, of Harry Potter. What's that thing called? His Patronus charm. This can, I'm gonna have a deer for mine too, a stag. But yeah, so that's actually it. I haven't bought really anything while I've been here in Singapore, to be honest. Mostly, you know, like you don't really need to buy things nowadays because you can get everything online, so I don't really see a point in buying stuff when you travel unless it's like something really specific or like handmade. But yeah, anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. Well, time to say goodbye to this view because we are going to Vietnam. At 5 o'clock tomorrow in the morning, I will be heading to the Changi airport, where I'll be getting on a flight and going to Hanoi. So I just wanted to say thank you so much if you've been watching the vlogs, and hopefully you'll stick around and you'll watch the Vietnam ones as well. If you've been to Vietnam, I'd love to hear about it, so drop a comment below, tell me about what you liked the most or things that I should definitely do. I am going on a tour, but I'm pretty sure there's some free days in there, so yeah. Anyway, thanks so much for being here, and until I see you again, take care. Bye.